Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to create GitHub issues from Trello card. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to add a new card in Trello, then automatically by using that card details, I want to create a GitHub issue. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So here my trigger application will be Trello and my action application will be GitHub. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to create GitHub issue from Trello card. So here my objective is that whenever a new card will be created in Trello, then automatically an issue should be created in GitHub. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect, and now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you're a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So now as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. This here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as create GitHub issue from Trello card, and on my left hand side you can see that these are the folders which I've created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as GitHub, and now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, now I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. So basically trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to create GitHub issue from Trello card. So here moving to my trigger window, I'm going to search for Trello as my trigger application. Here it is. And now the trigger event will be new card. So this trigger will start working whenever a new card will be added. So once I've selected my trigger application, moving to my action window, here my action application will be GitHub because I'm creating an issue in GitHub. And the action event will be to create an issue. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is to create a GitHub issue from a Trello card. So now to do this, here firstly I need to establish a connection between Trello and Pabbly Connect. So in order to do that, here I'm going to click on connect. And now to add a new connection, I need to mention the username of my Trello account. Then I need to mention the API key and the token. So here you can find the instruction given that from where you can find the API key and the token. So now here I'm going to fill in the details of username, API key and the token. So here in the instruction, it is mentioned that after login, you can get the API key and can generate a token from here. So firstly for username, I will take you to my Trello account, and here I will go to my profile and then I will go to settings. And in settings, I will go to profile and visibility. And here this is my username. So I'm going to copy the same. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. So once I've mentioned the username, now for API key and the token, I'm going to click on this hyperlink. And this here is my API key. So I'm going to copy it. And now again in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And now for token, I'm going to scroll down and here I'm going to click on generate a token. So now here it says, would you like to give the following application the access to your account? So as this is a secure access, I'm going to click on allow. And this here is my token. So I'm going to copy it. And here in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to paste it. And now I'm going to click on save. So now here you can see that a connection has been established between Trello and Pabbly Connect. So now moving to board and the list. So I'm going to take you to my Trello account, and here these are my boards. So I want to create a card in this board that is by the name of GitHub Pabbly project issues. So here you can see that this is my board, and now I want to add a card in the same. And then when I'm going to add this card, then automatically an issue should be created in GitHub. So now to do this, firstly in Pabbly Connect, I'm going to select my board as GitHub Pabbly project issues. And here my list name is GitHub issues. So here from this drop down, I'm going to select this as my list. So as I've selected my board and the list, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So now here after clicking on save and send test request, it is waiting for response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to my Trello account. So now here I'm going to create a new card by clicking on this add a card button. And now I'm going to mention a title for this card that will be ERP portal issue. And here I'm going to add this card. So here you can see that a new card has been created. So now I'm going to take you to Pabbly Connect. So here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So this here is the action type as create card, scrolling down to some other details. So here this is the list name by the name of GitHub issues, and this here is my card name that was ERP portal issues, and this here is the board name. So as of now it has got the card details, but now I also want to add a description in my card. So now to do that, here I'm going to add a description. So now I'm going to open this card, and now here I'm going to mention a description that will be login and logout time is mismatched. So here I've added the description, and now I'm going to click on save, and now I'm going to close this card. So here you can see that in this card I've added a description. So as here in Pabbly Connect, you can see that I have got the response, but as I've just added the description, so it is missing over here in this response that I've received. So here I'm going to click on this add action step, and I'm going to use delay. So by delay, I'm going to add time delay. So here I'm going to add, and now I'm going to click on connect. So now here the delay value will be 2. Like after 2 minutes, I'm going to fetch the card details. So by using delay, I have delayed it for 2 minutes. And now again, I'm going to click on add action step as I want to get the card details. So here I'm going to search for Trello again. And now the action event will be to get a card. So here by using this action event that will be get a card, it will get the card details by its ID. So I'm going to click on connect. So now I need to build a connection again. So as I've built a connection once in this workflow, so I'm going to use the same, and I'm going to click on save. And now here I need to mention the card ID. So as I've received it from the response, so I'm going to map it. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So this here is the card ID. So here I'm going to map it. So now after mapping the card ID, I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here you can see that I have received a response, and now here you can see that I have got the description as well. So this here is the description. Scrolling down, this here is the card name that was ERP portal issue. So I've got the details over here in Pabbly Connect. Now by using this, I want to create an issue in GitHub. So to do that, I need to establish a connection between GitHub and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on connect, and now to add a new connection, I'm simply going to click on connect with GitHub, as I've already opened GitHub in one of the tabs. So here I'm simply going to click on authorize Pabbly, as this is a secure access, and the authorization is successful. So here you can see that GitHub and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So here this is the owner detail, and now moving to repos. So here you can see that I have 3 repos. So here I'm going to use this one, that is ashi0209/connect app. So here in Pabbly Connect, I've selected the same. So moving to the label. So here I'm making the label for the issue as bug. You can select any other as well. And now here moving to title and the body. So here again, I'm going to use this method of mapping. So here I'm going to search for the title. So this here is the card name that I'm going to use as the title. After mapping this, here I'm going to map the description as well from the response received. So I've mapped the description. So as I've mapped the details, this method of mapping is important so that every time I will receive a new response, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case, this information could have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now moving to assignee, you can select the assignee as well. So as I've mapped the details, here I'm simply going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So now here in GitHub, you can see that a new issue has been created. So this here is the title, that is ERP portal issue, and this over here is the description for the same, that is login and logout time is mismatched. That means a new issue has been created in GitHub from a Trello card. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new Trello card will be created, then automatically an issue will be created in GitHub. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.